I'll never be a director. I can't direct. Ravi is a director. He has a director's mind. He can do it. Ravi is great at editing, at writing, at direction. He's great at everything. I can write a bit, so that's maybe something that I will do for myself because I feel when the need arises, I can and I should be able to do that. And edit, I have to learn on the way because sometimes I watch my own film and I'm like, oh, we could have just done it better. So I feel like if I learn it, at least I can do it on the edit table instead of having to do it in the preview theater.
So Dreamy Aata ka sara darmodar is Ravi handling, or what are your dreams for Dreamy Aata as a power couple?
So
Dreamy Aata, by the way, of course, you know, is their production house.
And that again came about because there was a film जिसमें they said that उनके पास heroine के लिए बहुत पैसे नहीं थे and I really liked the film and they said but we can't afford you. I said but I liked the film तो हम लोग
खुद ही produce.
So they said he only offered. He's like why don't you come in as a producer? That's the first time I registered Dreamy Aata. And post that I felt that was the way कि जैसे सॉन्कन किसी को नहीं बनानी थी तो मैंने हम लोग को कहा कि मुझे दे दे मुझे बनानी है. It's a film that I would want to make. Jat Nu Chodere is a film that I would want to make. So it just, you know, it keeps me in the forefront, it keeps us in the forefront, and I like that. So, post that, we started to do television from the same point of view, and now we're doing Dreamy Aata drama, which is shows that we like to make. And now the next thing that we're doing is announcing a slate of films in Hindi and Punjabi both for the coming 2-3 years. So we have big dreams.
तो ये ना ऐसे आप बोल रहे हो सगुन कि आप एडिट नहीं कर सकते, आप कर सब कुछ सकते हो, you know, you have this streak of wanting to create art, wanting to do a varied and variety of work that you want.
I mean, me and Ravi are a very good partnership.
Absolutely,
So,
that's what
there are things that I know better and there are things that he knows better. So together we're complete and we can do stuff. Yeah.
So who's the Tom and Jerry group in the group? Like, how often do you have like these squabbles? Because I know Ravi is somebody who's very, I mean, he's too much of a perfectionist.
Yeah.
ये ऐसे ही होगा.
So we were shooting this trailer for Dreamy Aata drama. You know, I don't know if you've seen it.
Yeah,
At the
dream
one in the
land
purple
kind of
sari where we are basically announcing it. So we were shooting it and Ravi has written it, Ravi was directing it, Ravi was editing it. And मतलब जब उसने वो ट्रेलर लिखा था उसने साथ में साउंड स्कोप भी लिख लिया था उसका कि यहाँ पर आलाप जाएगा, यहाँ पे नीचे जाएगा, यहाँ पे एडिट होगा शॉट, यहाँ से मैं यहाँ कैमरा. He had everything written down to the T. So when I went for the first shot, so he's like, good. I said, yeah. He's like, यहाँ पे बोलूँ ना बोलूँ. He was talking to himself. I said, Ravi, मुझे लगता है बोलना चाहिए. He's like, shh, you're on my set. You cannot talk. I'm like, are you kidding? He's like,
He said, "कर मेरे गाना."
no, I didn't say anything. That is the most silent I have been on any set. Like you have to ask San, she's my assistant, she does my makeup. She's like, you are way too silent. I said, this is Ravi's set, I cannot talk, he knows more than me. So even after he edited the whole video, it was a 2.5 minute, 3 minute long video. And I'm like, इतना लंबा आजकल कोई नहीं देखता रवि. Like cut it down to like 1 minute, 1 minute 20 seconds, इतना बहुत है. He's like, there is nothing in the world that you can say to convince me to cut what I have made according to what I thought. I literally tried to convince him for 2 weeks. Nothing. जो भी नहीं देंगे इसके कान पे.
So it's like शेर को सवा शेर in your case.
Yeah. So he says, I know my job, you know. So when I'm writing the shows, if he's basically coming in to suggest saying कि ये करो, I said, do you know कि मेरा actor आगे क्या कर रहा है? I've already thought of it. You cannot tell. So there is this thing कि यहाँ पर आपको बोले हाँ मैंने.
I do know at home.